Adobe Illustrator has a variety of tools for drawing paths, including the pencil tool for creating fluid, beautiful curves and straight paths. To complete the artwork for this project, you'll start by drawing with the pencil tool, then set some pencil tool settings, and finally you'll finish the artwork for the ship out here. You can open this practice file if you want to follow along. With the file open, notice the ship artwork on the left. You'll add the final shapes to that ship using the pencil tool. So to zoom into part of it, select the zoom tool in the tools panel on the left and drag across the upper left part of the artboard with the ship on it to zoom in. To select the pencil tool and start drawing, press and hold on the paintbrush tool in the tools panel on the left. Then select the pencil tool from the menu that appears. Before you start drawing, you'll set a few properties. To set the stroke color and the stroke weight for the line you're about to draw, click the stroke color in the properties panel to the right. With the swatches selected, make sure that black is chosen. You can press Escape to hide the colors. Also, make sure that the stroke weight is set to 1 here. In this case, the fill won't matter since it will be removed when you start drawing. To the left of the ship in a blank area, press and drag to create a curved path with the pencil tool. Drawing with the pencil tool is a lot like drawing with a pencil and paper. Even slight variations will show. To make paths you draw with the pencil tool smoother, you can edit the pencil tool settings. Double-click the pencil tool in the tools panel on the left, and the tool options appear in a dialog box. Now to make the paths you draw smoother, drag the top slider all the way over to Smooth. This will affect any new paths you draw with the pencil tool. So click OK, and try drawing another curved path with the pencil tool. Notice that the path is smoother after you release the mouse button. Now you'll draw a part of the ship. You can follow these aqua guides as you draw if you like. Starting in the corner here, press and drag to begin drawing with the pencil tool and follow the aqua guides as best you can. When you return to the beginning of the path, a circle will show next to the pointer, meaning the path will be closed when you release the mouse button. So release the mouse button to close the path. You'll notice that this corner down here really isn't a corner. With the pencil tool, you can also redraw parts of a path, even paths not created with the pencil tool. To redraw part of a path, move the pointer onto the path. When the asterisk next to the pencil icon disappears, redraw part of the path you want, making sure to finish back on the existing path. There. To change the color fill of the shape, click the fill color in the properties panel to the right, make sure the swatches are selected, and select this tan color. Now you'll move in the document window to another part of the document. So press the spacebar to access the hand tool temporarily, and drag in the document window to see the aqua guides at the bottom of the artboard. Then release the spacebar. Next you'll draw this shape following the guides. This time you'll see how to draw a straight line with the pencil tool as you draw. So starting here before drawing, press the Option key on Mac or Alt key on Windows to begin drawing a straight line. When a line appears next to the pencil pointer, drag to create a straight line down to here. Without releasing the mouse button, release the key and continue drawing along the aqua guide. When you come to the top line of the aqua guide, with the mouse button still held down, press the Option key on Mac or Alt key on Windows and draw a straight line across the top. When the pointer reaches the starting point, a circle appears next to it. Release the mouse button, and then the key to close the path. To set the fill color for the shape you just drew, click the fill color in the Properties panel and select this orange color. So that you can see all of the artwork, choose View, Fit All in Window. Now to complete this design, you're going to drag the ship onto the right artboard. So select the Selection tool, drag across the two paths you created, and press Backspace or Delete to remove them. Then, drag across all of the shapes to select them here. Drag one of the selected shapes to the artboard on the right, and there you go. Drawing with the pencil tool can be really fun, and it gives you a tool for creating fluid paths easily. Like with all the tools in Illustrator, take your time and practice creating in your own projects.